it probably starts way before Enlightened Stock Trading. I started trading 20 odd years ago, and it took me a long while to figure it out. 3 years of a lot of work. I was working full time when I first started trading. I spent 4 hours a night kind of studying the markets, trying to figure out what trades I was going to place the next day. And after 3 years of losing money, I was sort of at the point of, do I throw it all in and go buy a property instead, which made me nauseous. I hate property. I much prefer the markets. And or do I go all in and actually figure this out? And I decided to go all in. And over the next couple of months, I read a few hundred books on trading, and I spent even more time. I took 3 months off work. I just threw myself into this. I took the 3 months off work unpaid to understand what I was doing, develop some rules that worked, and so on. So after that, I was profitable. And you can tell the moment that I got profitable was the moment I implemented my first trading system. And we're going to talk about trading systems later on today. Mm-hmm. But you can see in my equity curve, my profit, my account was going down, 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 and I implemented, and all of a sudden started making money from there. Fast forward a whole bunch of years, and in 2012, I made more money trading 20 or 30 minutes a day, because that's all I do, than I did in my day job. And I had a pretty good day job. I was making a few $100,000 a year and working 12 to 14 hours a day, 6 to 7 hour days a week. And it was awful in my day job. But trading was just like, just following the process. Sure. And, as I explain my process, which I'll do later, it'll become clear why that is. And because I made so much money trading and work was so stressful, it became a pretty easy decision to quit. So I left the corporate world, focused on full-time trading, decided I'm going to be a full-time trader. It took me about 6 months, and I realized I was bored out of my brain and lonely, because all my friends were at work. My wife was still at work, and I had no one to talk to. I didn't know any traders. So it's me and a laptop, and that's it. And I had all these people trying to ask me, how did you do it? How do you make money trading? And can you show me? And so I started going into the city. I lived in the suburbs, going into the city to meet people just to talk about trading. And that was great. It gave me a little bit of social contact. But when someone was just wanting to chat about trading, it wasn't really enough. They never did what I said they should do. I didn't have a structure. And pretty soon I realized what I wanted was people who did it like me, people who traded systematically, who took it seriously, who understood the concepts, who could test their rules and actually know that they were profitable. And in order to find those people, I decided I had to teach them. So I started Enlightened Stock Trading, started teaching traders. And since then, basically, I've been trading constantly, obviously. But I spend a lot of my day teaching and sharing with students and helping others get to the point where they've got freedom to make choices in their life. And that's why I do Enlightened Stock Trading, because I was bored and lonely, and I love talking about trading, and I didn't know any traders. Now I know a whole lot of traders.